This video will show you how to expand a RAID 5 array by adding a new physical drive using the ARCCONF utility. Let's start by verifying the current setup. Using the command arcconf.exe getconfig1ar, we pull the details for array 0. In this example, a RAID 5 configuration are configured with three 915 GB SSDs. Note that the array utilization is currently at 100%, meaning all available space in the current 3-drive pool is allocated. To incorporate the new drive, run the modify command. arcconf.exe modify 1 array 0 expand 03. 1. The controller ID, array 0, the target array. Expand 03. This tells the controller to expand the array by adding physical device 3. The system provides a warning that this will modify the logical structure. After confirming with pressing Y, the controller begins the reconstruction process. This is an online capacity expansion, allowing the RAID to restripe across 4 drives instead of 3. Once the modification command is processed, run getconfig1ar again. The array utilization has dropped to approximately 66%. This confirms that the raw capacity of the array has increased, leaving roughly 33% of the new total capacity as unused space. The next video will show you how to extend the logical volume to claim that unused space.